There's 5 of them. Can you find them?
Dad?
Hi, good morning.
Can you find the eggs over here? That's a good idea. Like, get the egg carton.
Yeah, get the egg carton.
Here. Alright, go find the eggs. Gotta put them in there. There's 5 eggs.
Can you find the 5 eggs, Dagon?
They're hiding.
They're not hiding in there. That's just empty.
Do you see any eggs? Look around. Do you see any eggs?
No.
You don't see any? Well, then you should look some more.
What?
Look over here.
Look, where are some
Come
eggs?
here, I'll help you. Come here. You can see them from where Mommy is.
I have to look for them. Go find the eggs. Go find them.
Over here. Come here. Come here. Look. Oh, did you see one? Did you see one? There's one.
Wow. Oh, there's something in it?
Put it in the egg carton. There's 4 more to find.
Mirror.
It might be. It might be a menu wheat. Oh, it's blueberries.
Yeah.
Mmm. There's another one.
Blue.
That one has blueberries in it too.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Orange.
There's one left. Hmm. Let's see what's in that one. More blueberries.
Wow.
Yum.
Orange.
2 now.
Orange.
Nah, there's one left. Yep. There's a couple more eggs. Come over here. I'll give you a hint.
You can just look around some more, Dagon. If you look, you'll probably find them. Are there more eggs? Maybe there are more eggs.
There are 3 more. There are 3 more eggs.
8.
Yeah, there are 3 more. Look around. We already found that one. And go over and look over by Daddy. There's one that's over by Daddy. There it is.
Blue.
It may be. And you found all the blueberry eggs first.
Oh.
Wow. You can eat it. It's your egg. There's one left. Alright, the other eggs are harder. There's 2 more eggs though.
Blueberry eggs are the easy ones to find, evidently.
Yeah. Here, come here. Come here. I'll show you. I'll give you a hint. Check up on the couch. top of the couch. On the very top. On the very top. Here. Keep looking.
She'll find it. She'll find it.
Keep looking. There it is. What's in there?
Oh, that one sounds different.
Might be.
She just wants mini wheats to be inside.
Might be disappointed. Yep, see what's in that one. You can eat some mini wheats later. Either way. Let's see what's in that one. You need help? What is that? Fish. Then you got some fish.
I think there's one more egg.
Yeah, do you want to find it?
We can set that one down and save it. Where is that other egg?
Where is that other egg? Can you help me look? There's one missing. Yeah, it's missing. We gotta find one more.
And put that one back together and save them.
Can leave them on the table.
You put it on the table? Good job. Go find one more egg. Ooh.
Where is it? Can you help Mommy look? Yeah, Daddy, help Mommy look for it. There's a sack. We're looking for an egg. Three rings. We're looking for an egg, remember? Maybe you should look in that box. Yep, it has a hole. Hole. We gotta find that egg.
Did you forget? There's one more egg, Dagny. Where is it?
There's still one egg missing.
It sounds to me like it's next to a balloon.
Yeah, maybe you should check that box. Did you find it? There it is. Yep, there's fish in that one too. Want me to break it open? Wow.
Maybe you should celebrate by going down your slide.
Good idea. Let's go.
You set that one right here too, honey? Are you going to take that one with you? Okay. Whoa, go check out your slide.
on the slab. That's a whole Easter basket of candy. Oh, there's one big egg.
She feels like she has to keep the fish fast now.
Let's see what else is in here. There's some bubbles. Bubbles. Whoa. I want to do these outside most of the time. Move it fast.
Just throwing soap all over.
You blow?
That one's not so conducive to working. So,
Yeah, we'll have to run with it outside.
yeah, those are too big of holes. There we got some.
Good job. Alright, let me put this one away right now. Let's see what else is in there. We got one more fish.
More.
Oh, two more fish.
Oh my goodness, look in
all
that
this
basket.
candy.
There's more candy than you've eaten this year.
Look, there's Dora.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You wave goodbye to the camera.
Say bye, Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, bye bye.
Say
Dagny.
bye.
Wave bye or hi, one or the other. I'm enthralled with bubbles right now.
We're gonna do these later outside. You wave bye bye to the camera?
That.
That's candy. We'll eat it after breakfast, okay?
Hi.
Can you wave bye bye to the camera? That's pretty close.
You're a funny girl.
Happy Easter! What do you think?
You're pretty low energy this morning. You must have done a lot yesterday.
Here. Well, that is an understatement.
Right.
How?
Let's see what's in this one. Oh, it's jelly beans.
Whoa!
Hi.
Little mini eggs.
Hi.
You want to try one? Alright, just one, then we can eat some more for breakfast.
Ooh.
You don't like it?
You're not sure what to do with jelly beans.
Mama.
Mama eat it? You don't like it? Okay. I'll take it. Let's go wash your hands.